Invest in AI-driven NFTs on MILC Platform. Secure blockchain media ownership before it's too late. Welcome to the future of digital asset ownership, where AI-driven NFTs are redefining how we engage with media. With AI and NFTs joining forces, the landscape of media ownership is transforming rapidly, offering unparalleled opportunities. AI-driven NFTs are revolutionizing the way creators monetize their work. These unique tokens, backed by blockchain, ensure secure ownership and authenticity, addressing critical challenges in digital asset ownership and intellectual property protection. The rise of AI-generated content marks a new era for digital art and collectibles. Artists can now leverage AI to produce exclusive digital assets, enhancing creativity and scarcity in the marketplace, and providing new revenue channels. Blockchain technology solidifies the security and transparency of AI-driven NFTs, empowering creators to capitalize on their work. This innovation also enables investors to explore and support new ventures with confidence, knowing their assets are safeguarded. Exclusive AI-driven NFTs are reshaping media ownership, allowing creators and collectors to navigate the digital landscape with unprecedented control. As the market expands, understanding these assets becomes crucial for future-focused investors. MILC is a pioneering platform in the NFT space, offering a secure marketplace for exclusive AI-driven NFTs. It connects creators and investors, ensuring authenticity and ownership through blockchain technology, while fostering media innovation. Investors have a unique chance to tap into the AI-driven NFT market. While it offers significant rewards, the unpredictable nature of the market necessitates careful research to mitigate risks and capitalize on growth opportunities. The adoption of AI-generated NFTs is broadening, with applications in digital art, virtual real estate, and gaming. This technology is set to unlock new monetization avenues and expand digital content ownership, heralding a promising future. The future is here, and AI-driven NFTs are paving the way for a new era of media ownership. Platforms like MILC are at the forefront, enabling creators and investors to lead the charge in this dynamic and fast-evolving industry. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.